This hair dryer comes in nice packaging. This comes with a diffuser attachment and a smooth nozzle, one cleaning brush. These nozzles are magnetic and it's easy to put on and take off. There's no need to twist and turn. This is the mineral filter that traps all the dust, and it's super easy to clean. This hair dryer has a built-in safety feature, which is a ground fault circuit interrupter. The cord itself feels premium and durable. It's a little over 5 feet or a little over 60 inches. The overall design of this hair dryer is quite nice. It's stylish and modern. It's not bulky and it's lightweight. It only weighs 373 grams. The color of this is dark gray and it also comes in white. This hair dryer is easy to use. There's 2 speed settings and 5 temperature settings. This hair dryer is quite powerful and it's not that loud. It only produces maximum noise level of 51 decibels.